will show you how to install an application from your MacBook. This is running macOS Catalina, which is the latest one currently in 2020. To start, you have to go to the Finder window here and then go to Applications. If you, for some reason, do not see this because it was removed from the sidebar or something, just go to Finder and then Preferences and then select Applications. That folder will show back up. So it's right here. Click on it, and let's say that I did not want Adobe Reader. So it should be as simple as just right-clicking and saying Moving to Trash. However, the application has to be closed. So I have it open right here. And so I'll go ahead and say Quit. Then I'll say OK here, and then retry the task. Put in your Mac password to log in onto the computer. And then to finish uninstalling it, you have to delete it from the recycle bin. So basically, right click on it and empty trash. Before you do that though, make sure you don't have anything that you do want to restore. So I would suggest opening up the recycle bin and seeing if you had any other files here that you may still want to keep. If you don't, just go ahead and say empty trash and then empty trash, and that will fully uninstall the application. There may be remnants of the application around, but when you find them, just make sure that you know what you're deleting, so you're not deleting something that may have a similar name of a file that you might have created. So if you put Adobe, you're going to see that I'm still finding some Adobe colors here, and then some updates, and so I could delete most of this stuff if it was causing an issue. But right now it's really not doing anything. So I'm just going to leave it there since I'm just going to reinstall Adobe. Another application, for example, I had was Movavi. So this one, for example, all of these folders here, these are default folders. But I also had this folder called test that I created, and that one also shows up just because it has the keywords of Movavi. So you can search, you can set some filters here, but needless to say, just make sure you know exactly what you're deleting before you delete the rest of the file. So I know for certain I don't need any of these. I'm just gonna move them to the trash also to finish fully uninstalling that application. Anyways, that will be it for this video. Thank you for watching and subscribe.